What is up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know go. It's your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys follow me on all social media platforms. All you have to do is type in Hustlertaughtme. Okay, I am trying to get my Instagram up to at least 1,000 followers by the end of the year. That's a stretch goal, but I know I can do it. Not my personal channel, but my business channel, where I'm going to be dedicated to bringing you guys content full of information and value. All right, because that's something I got to do better at. I've been just focusing on YouTube for too long. I got to focus on other platforms too. So yeah, but we're here to talk about some products that I just actually ended up getting so that I can go ahead and ship. And we're talking about these, okay, the clones. So I have a whole bunch of products here. I will be reviewing some of these products on my review channel. It is Gadget Hustle, I believe is my channel. Gadget Hustle, it is on my channel as well as a featured channel. Make sure you subscribe to that. I'm gonna show you a whole bunch of products that I have that you guys can actually get at wesply.com, but I'm gonna review it for you. And I'm gonna be subjective. I'm not, every time I get a product, my products are not products that I'm paid to promote. I genuinely get some of these products from distributors to test out, and I'm gonna tell y'all what I feel. I got a product today to test out. It is, let me see if I can get it. Where is it at? Oh, right here. I got this product that was sent to me for me to test out right here. Okay. My distributor sent it to me, so I'll be testing that out. I also will be selling heaters wholesale too, because we did order some units. And this is like little things that I've been trying to tell y'all, like seasonal stuff is important to sell and to also to buy so that you can flip. Okay, heaters, they cost a lot of money, okay, but a lot of people will buy these, especially on these apps. Like, you ain't even look, bro. On these apps, like a lot of people will pay for these heaters and stuff. But let's talk about some clones, man. Clones are doing really well. If you have not sold these clones during Black Friday, you missed out. Okay, I have made a bunch of money. I might, if I don't forget, put how much we have helped people with eBay automation make with these clones. A lot of our eBay automation clients, we list like trending products for them. And one of the trending products, of course, is always going to be this right here. Why? You may ask. Why would it be this? It's because these headphones right here, we're not listing them as replicas, because they're not replicas. Because if you look on the box, there's literally no Apple signage at all. No Apple signage. No Apple signage. There's no Apple logo on here. Why? Because we want to avoid getting accounts taken down, banned. We want to do the right thing and try to keep the account. A lot of the people out here, they're trying to make money, so they feel like the only way I'll make money is by buying and lying to consumers. Like, I want to buy replicas and I want to sell them. While you can do that, and your product will go to that customer's doorfront or doorstep, they'll get the product and then they'll try to get a refund and never send you the product back, and then you're out of money, right? Like, we don't want that. And I have done my due diligence to make sure that I help you guys prevent that from happening, because I have clones on my website. Now, these also allow you to be able to name them whatever you want. On my website, they're called, I have Hustler Pods, I have Hustler Maxes. Like, you can literally make these yours. And this helps you because you don't want no copyright strikes. You don't want OfferUp trying to stop you and take your product down, or Mercari, or any of these places trying to take your stuff down, right? Especially during the holidays. And you definitely don't want your stuff to be suspended. That would be one of the worst case scenarios, because then you got to wait for your suspension to die down and get unbanned. It's a bunch, right? So I want you guys to start to think long term, okay? So when I go into these clones, I want to deep dive and I want to talk about, hey, how are you going to actually list these, and where would I recommend you listing them? I definitely recommend you listing these on eBay, okay? And I'm about to give y'all the sauce, okay? You're going to need to pay, so to get 6 of these, you're paying around like $160, okay? You're getting these for like $25 each, right? You're going to be able to sell these up to $60. Some people sell them $90. I say stay around like the $60 mark. That seems like the sweet spot, right? But here's the little twist, or the catch, or the knowledge. What you're going to do is you're not just going to list these, especially not during the holidays. I don't want you to just settle for just listing. What I want you to do is I want you to go on eBay. I want you to list these. I want you to make in the description whatever you want, put whatever description you want from any regular AirPod Max description that you find on eBay. But then what I want you to put on that description is parentheses, these are not real, these are clones, or don't say clones, say these are not real AirPod Maxes, period. And then in quotation, right? So now once you do that, I want you to go to the price, and I want you to go open up another tab, and I want you to look up AirPod Maxes again. And the reason I'm not doing this on my computer is because it's not about what pops up on mine at that time. I want you to see what pops up on yours. Now, you may see some that are selling for $125 or $200. Most of these headphones that are on eBay are fake. Most of them. The difference is a lot of these people prime their account and then they start listing replicas, and they'll get away with it for a while until customers complain, and then eBay just bans their account and holds their money. We're not going to have that happen, right? So what we're going to do is we're not going to list these like they're real. We're not going to put that price up to 200 or, to 150. No, what we're going to do is we're going to first start out by listing it for around $55 to $50. Okay. Once you list it to that price, I want you to go and hit the promotion tab. Okay. I want you to promote the listing, and I want you to pay $5. Do it per day. $5 per day, right? And I want you to just do it for one day, and I want you to see if you get any sales. Now, you should be getting sales after that first day. If you don't, do it for one more day. Okay, so this is costing you, because the headphones cost you around $160, and then the promotion should cost you like maybe $10, right? Because we're doing $5 a day, 2 days. So look, this is what you're gonna do. You're going to wait it out. By that second day, you should be having sales. Once you get the sales, you're going to need to ship these out as soon as possible. Ship them out as soon as possible. And then once your customer gets them, or buys them, I want you to say, hey, thank you for your purchase. I hope that you like them, or whatever, right? Next, you ship them out. Hit the customer up again, and then be like, hey, I just shipped out your headphones. I hope you guys like them, or I hope you like them. Thank you for supporting a small business. You could have just went and got the real Maxes, but you chose to get mine, and I really appreciate it. Then when you see it delivers, I want you to hit the customer up again and say, hey, please let me know what you think about it, your honest opinion. Please feel free to leave a review. It helps my business. Boom. Now, you want to wait until they give you a review. Mind you, you're still going to be getting other sales, but we want to focus on getting some type of review. That's the first step. Once you get the review, I want you to put the price up $5. And every time you get a review, you can put it up 50 cents more or $1 more. But I go all the way up to like $65 until it stops selling. When it stops selling and selling slows down, that's when you take it down $5. And then you found your sweet spot and you keep selling them. Like, that's literally what we've been doing with eBay automation, and we've been getting people around $2,000 every single week selling clones. So that is literally the sauce that we're using and the technique that we're using, guys. And I just wanted to give it to you so that you guys can actually start implementing it. And yeah, we do sell these at wesply.com, but you don't got to get it from us. You can get it from anywhere, right? I sell mine. I know that mine work. I know mine has a warranty as well. If you get them and they're damaged or anything, which never can happen because we always make sure we vacuum seal them. You can take it before you ship it, take the seal off. Take the plastic off before you ship. All right, guys. And you also have the ability to get the reseller starter kit, where you get my phone number and you get 3 guides, the guide on Mercari, eBay, and also the reseller's guide. And you also get a class every single month with me, where I am actually just checking up on your sales and we're working together. So that's all on WeSupply.com, WESPLY.com. Again, you don't have to get the replicas from my website. That's not what this video is about. This video is just to share the sauce with you guys, so you guys don't have to book any more calls trying to get the sauce on the clones and how to sell them. All right, guys, I just wanted to pop in, man. I really appreciate everybody that has been viewing my channel, supporting my channel, and most importantly, just supporting and subscribing, man. It really means a lot. I'm on the road to 2K. I love you guys so much, man. Thank you so much. And I'll see you guys at the top because it's way, way, way too crowded at the bottom. Peace.